Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo at Parts People, and in this video, we'll outline the steps for completing a part replacement on your Dell PC. Visit our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. Remove base cover screws. Then use fingers to pry apart and remove base cover. Now unscrew and disconnect battery. Next, use thin object to pry out and remove SIM card. Then disconnect keyboard cables. Next, use thin object to pry apart and remove keyboard bezel. Now unscrew and remove keyboard. Now unscrew and remove bracket. Then disconnect and remove wireless card. Next, separate clips and remove memory. Now disconnect and remove CMOS battery. Then unscrew and disconnect hard drive. Now unscrew and remove heatsink. Then remove chassis screws. Next, disconnect cables to release and remove chassis frame. Then disconnect and remove cooling fan. Then remove screws that secure display cable. Now disconnect DC jack. Then disconnect cables from top of palmrest. Then unscrew and remove motherboard bracket. Now unscrew and remove motherboard. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.